I came from a really small high school, small class size, and Caz gave me the opportunity to further my development as a professional, as well as stay with a small class size. I really value the building relationships here at Caz, and I think the relationships that you make in a small school setting, they'll last a lifetime. I'm really interested in working in the media, whether that's broadcasting, writing, reporting, stuff like that. But I'm also interested in the marketing and public relations side of sports as well. And I think the program here gives you so many opportunities to succeed in many different facets of the industry, whether it's your internships or going on conferences and trips or meeting with professors. They always seem to give you the opportunity to succeed. So I've completed 3 internships. One of them was News Channel 9 WSYR in Syracuse, News Channel 2 WKTV in Utica, and the Utica Observer Dispatch. And all my internships were kind of similar and kind of different. I was able to do a lot of editing, writing, reporting, but mainly meeting new people. And I think that's something that is really important. Just connecting with people, you never know who you're going to meet. And I think the connections that I've made through my internships and the connections that I've made through here at Caz are undoubtedly going to help me succeed in my future paths, goals, and careers. So our senior capstone this year for the sport management students is planning a Mario Kart tournament, which once you first hear that, it's a little strange. Mario Kart tournament, how does that relate to sports and sport management? It's really interesting to look at, building a tournament structure. If you take Mario Kart away from it and you just talk about tournaments and marketing and sponsorships, all those things align with our senior capstone. So I think it's really important that I'm learning all of these tools and these methods for when I graduate. I'm gonna need, obviously, even listening skills and patience and leadership. All these skills I think a lot of people overlook when they go to bigger universities. They don't really get that hands-on experience like I did at Caz. So I think definitely the experiences that I've had in my classes, and especially in my senior capstone, are going to set me aside from the other competitors in the market. My Caz experience has allowed me to meet so many new people and experience so many new things. And I've always said to myself, you never know when the good old days are until years later and you're like, man, those were the good old days. So right now, here at Caz, I feel like I'm living in the good old days. And it's just, I'm making so many experiences that I know I'll never have an opportunity to make again. So just trying to live in the moment and look at myself in the mirror and say, I'm having a positive experience at Caz. And I think that's what everyone needs to try to do, at least before years later they turn around and they think to themselves, did I make the most of my opportunity at Caz? And I think I did. I think I absolutely made the most of my opportunity at Caz.